Software Spring. Presents. How to use nominal in Google Sheets. Hello folks. Greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on using the nominal function. Here's an introduction to nominal. Nominal returns the nominal interest rate of a loan, or an investment. Nominal interest rate, generally, is the stated interest rate. Effective interest rate is the actual interest rate. Nominal interest rate formula. N is the number of compounding periods per year. I is the effective interest rate. Okay, let's look at the format of the nominal function formula. Here is an example. Effective rate is the actual interest rate per year, in percent. Periods per year is the number of interest compounding periods per year. Going forward, here is the objective of using the nominal function. To calculate the nominal interest rate for an effective interest rate of 5.09%. Periods per year of 4. That is, quarterly compounding of interest. Alright, let me type the data here. Let's type the nominal function formula in this cell. First, type equal to N O M. Select nominal. For effective interest rate, click this cell. Type comma. For periods per year, click this cell. Press enter. Let's format this value as a percent. Click this cell. Click the percent symbol. There you go. This is the nominal, or stated interest rate, for this effective interest rate, and for quarterly compounding of interest. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.